In common low-voltage 24-volt AC systems, a thermostat transmits commands to the HVAC controller via wire. In many commercial and residential applications, running new wire or replacing broken wire is either difficult or not cost-effective. Utilizing proprietary radio technology, the Surefire Bridge reliably transmits any low-voltage thermostat command to the HVAC controller without wire. Any low-voltage 24-volt AC thermostat may be connected to the thermostat interface. The thermostat interface may be installed inside the wall behind the thermostat base plate. The thermostat interface may be powered by a transformer or with 24-volt AC, R, and common from the HVAC controller. Connect the 24-volt AC power from the controller to the J4 and J5 terminals on the backside of the interface. The interface powers the thermostat. Select the wires needed for the thermostat functions required. Secure all unused wires returning from the HVAC controller. Installing the equipment interface is as simple as select a secure location to mount the equipment interface next to the HVAC control board. Wire 24-volt AC power from the controller to the wiring block on the bottom of the interface. Connect the wires needed for the thermostat functions required. Remove and secure any unused thermostat wires from the controller's wiring block.